Aniyago tongo sini contestants on the results. Ang norno tay bisi degriliya norok kesangka norok jorau kobo kolom khana phiaba tay kisisa jora naisini Sing tabuk our result no naina bagi thangai dong. Sini contestants ro not ready da. Not ready khana ole. Pai phano, paya phano. Dini ni result nor ni tali khao. Nor ni history wo. Dini ni yagulo sijaka. Norok asik kosto khlai asik sa joraroi nor joro sopeka. Nor ni talent bai, nor ni phan bai, nor ni sirumung bai, nor ni rehearse bai. Nor tini oro sopeka. Sini EMs, sini MDCs, tai sini former EM botong. Borobo joto khakali na sabno narne sabno narya result aba haina nongkhorkha semi finale wo khorok tham taingei norok orok khorok sajona nor sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo norni kapal kaham dini or result no announce kaisinai but before that Sini Baji ready to talk? Narajoto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukhakti Gang Chanchinai. Mehli Deverma on the stage, please. Ang tabuk nungin hartinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino bini a shokapno yafana bagi Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth positional Singbai Baksakai competition round grand finale sixth positional Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sengjoto ya perform ni please. Man kai seng chiwi chiri khol lai ni. Boni logi wo. Boni check. Boni check ya phar jangai. Boni check ko ya phar jangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of Sakhwlai song. Are you ready? Paidongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paiga, Buku, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. Holland, please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Benisokano Yapana Bagay, and Lumina Hanai, Emily, Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sanjota Yapana, please. Boni Bagay. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike Task Competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopaka, tie. Semi-finale, Koroktam tie Rwkha. Koroktam equal marks by Rwkha. But finale Korok Nari, fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basram Tipra on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Bahan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopaka. Borok Nini Bishingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopaka. Sanjota Yapa Holland Nina Born Bagay, please. And Sakhwlai Bokutsong. Dabogang non Nibuskango announced China Naidomo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up, third position of Ninjago. Bonibonang Dabok non Nibuskango announced China Night. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deverma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuhel Deverma on the stage, please. Sai, Boni, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Like a humbai? Sini, first runners up. Oh, Bukuk Sushmita, Nini trophies. Buskango Yaparzaka, Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nimisi Dike Shuhel Deverma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. And a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani Tik Panang Mano. Baksani Anya Panang Mano. But Singjota Yapakolene, Jota Tirkolene. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rwkha on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rwkha on the stage. Bono Yapanabayan Koinai, Sini, GTA, Sini, EM, Fishery, Rajesh, Tipra. Dalai Kahampai. Ulta. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni Logio Kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000 and no Nibuskango Antabuksini final winner. No announce China Naito. Piaba winner Nang Sikang Tobuglak Puilang Numinahanai Sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now, that final round. The final round is Tipra on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty die, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Singjoto yapo homeland ni David Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Tagu de Borsong. Nano joto ready de ton. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewi Jain High. High Chalo. Sing Tubi Paitanai. Tagu de Borsong. Nano joto na Hambai. Nano Sumay Baksa. Dini Paleka. Dai sini contestants no belai ke support kaiga palisen sini finals dono sen narnai de borni photo session posen khaile nei